Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check engine oil on my 2006 Toyota Corolla. And this is going to be a really similar process for any of the Toyota Corollas, but refer to your owner's manual for the specific way to do this. Okay, so before we begin, you want to make sure that your vehicle is off and in park with the emergency brake on and on a level surface. You also want to make sure that you have the proper safety equipment on. I'll be wearing a pair of nitrile gloves and safety goggles. Once that's done, then we're ready to begin and check the engine oil. So this right here is the engine oil dipstick, and it says engine oil on the side just in case there's any confusion. On my car it's yellow, but it may be a different color on your car. You have to refer to your vehicle's owner's manual to know for sure. So okay, let's go ahead and get a closer look, and I'm going to show you how to check your engine oil. Okay, so when we take the engine oil dipstick out, I'm just using a paper towel here, and we're using it to clean off all of the excess engine oil on the dipstick. Okay, so on my 2006 Toyota Corolla, there are two dots at the end of the dipstick, and this dot here means that the engine oil is at low level, and this dot here means that the engine oil is at full level, and then in between means that the engine oil is at an okay level. And we'll talk more about this in just a minute. Okay, so what we're going to do is put the dipstick back down into the dipstick tube, and we're going to leave it in there for a few seconds. And when we take the dipstick back out, we're going to look at where the engine oil is in relation to those two dots. So let's go ahead and do that now. And if we take a look here, we can see that the engine oil is between those two dots there near the full level dot. So let's talk more about that. What we're going to do is wipe off the engine oil here, and then we'll put the dipstick back down into the dipstick tube. Okay, so here's the owner's manual for my 2006 Toyota Corolla, and when we just checked the engine oil, it was right about here near the full level dot, and it was in the okay range. If it's over the full level dot, it would have been too full, and if it's under the low level dot, we would have needed to add oil. But anything in between is telling us it's okay. And this could be different on different vehicles and different years of the Corolla, so refer to your owner's manual for where your engine oil level is and what it means. It also tells us right here that if we do add engine oil, to do it in small quantities and then check the engine oil level as we go. You don't want to overfill your engine with engine oil because that can damage your engine. Also, it tells us right here that the recommended engine oil is SAE 5W30. And this will be different for different vehicles and different year Toyota Corollas, so refer to your owner's manual for the recommended engine oil. Okay, so let me take you back out to my 2006 Toyota Corolla, and I'll show you where we would add engine oil if we would have needed to. Okay, so on my 2006 Toyota Corolla, the engine oil cap is right here, and it tells us right on top of the cap for this vehicle that the recommended engine oil is 5W30. So if we did need to add engine oil, we would twist off the engine oil cap, and then we would put a funnel in there, and then add the engine oil in small quantities, checking the engine oil level as we go, and then when we're done, we would put back on the engine oil cap. You don't want to overfill the engine oil in your engine because it can damage it. Alright guys, well this is a really important thing to do and an easy thing to do to ensure that your engine is at the proper level on engine oil. If you're too low or too full, you can damage your engine, which is going to be a really expensive repair. So I hope you guys have liked this video, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.